Hey friends, thanks for checking in. Everywhere you look on the internet right now, especially YouTube, all you see is the Flying Dutchman copycat. That's the INnOUTBurger. I guess you call it an onion burger. Anyways, we're gonna do it next, so stick around. Hey, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing the Flying Dutchman, the copycat recipe of INnOUTBurger's no bun burger. Started off with the sauce, some ketchup, mayo, and paprika. Gonna mix it up real good. Put that in the refrigerator, let it cool. Next, we're gonna take a large onion. These are yellow onions. Pretty much look for the largest ones you can find. And out of the center is what you're going to get your slices from. You want about 1/4 inch thick, maybe a little bit thicker than that. And just go ahead and cut right through it. Be very careful. I used that fork there to help control it because they are slippery. And I was able to get 3 slices out of 1 onion. Had to use another onion for the 4th as a backup. So basically 2 large yellow onions. Once I have the onions cut, we'll set those to the side. And then I had some frozen Angus burgers that I'm going to put in a nonstick frying pan. They cook relatively fast, even though they're still frozen. So I got the heat on medium and a little salt and pepper. And about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, it'd be time to flip them. When you see a little bit of moisture coming from the other top side, it's time to flip. And we'll salt and pepper those, and we're going to put a little bit of American cheese on each one. Once it melts, set that to the side. Clean out your skillet. And then we'll put in our onions. And you're going to brown the onions on each side. Again, about 4 or 5 minutes per side, which is perfect because it gives you time for the burgers to rest so you don't get juice all over the place. And these will be ready to flip. There you go. So you go another 4 or 5 minutes, and then it's time to build the burger. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, but I got to tell you, these were very delicious. They were. I wasn't sure that the onion would work. I've had the protein style at INnOUTBurger, but not this style. But it worked. So we go onion, burger, spread, burger, and then another onion. And there you have it, the INnOUTBurger Flying Dutchman. Give it a shot. Easy to make and delicious. Hey, thanks for watching, and come back for the next recipes. Thank you.